When you come across articles that are not available full text in any of the databases that we subscribe to, you'll need to fill out an interlibrary loan request to get that article or articles. What that means is we will request it for you from another library, and in most cases you will receive a PDF of the article in your inbox, in your email, and you have a certain amount of time where that link will remain active for you to download it or to print it. In my search example here, I'm searching EBSCO. It's one of our databases, and you'll notice that some of the articles have a information or a little link. This one says full text finder. The second one says it's available as a PDF. It's full text. Here's an HTML. So obviously these links, the HTML and the PDF, if I were to click on those, I would have access to the article right away. Anything that says full text finder, what that does is it refers you to a different database where that article is located. In this case, this one is in the New York Times database. It's a ProQuest database. There's also another ProQuest database. There's Business Insights, InfoTrack. So this is just telling me I could click on any of these links and I'd be able to get access to that article full text in those databases. If I go back to my search results, you'll see I have one that says interlibrary loan via Illiad. So that indicates to me that we do not have access to that article full text in any database, whether it's searching EBSCO, which is what I'm searching right now, whether that's ProQuest or JSTOR. So if I click that link, it brings me to this screen, the interlibrary loan screen, and I would go ahead and type in my Medaille 1, my ID, and also my ID number, and log into Illiad. If I've already created an account, it will go ahead and input all of the information for that article. So the author, the title of the article, the title of the publication, the volume, issue number. If I've never created or if I've never used Illiad, it would prompt me to go ahead and create an Illiad account. And once you do that, you have that account for as long as you are a student at Medaille. So you don't have to create an account every time you use Illiad. If you have questions about interlibrary loan or about the databases or just research in general, please contact a librarian and we would be more than happy to help you.